Fluent English practice. Repetition is the secret of English fluency. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you clearly. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak well. May I ask you something? Yes, sure. What do you want to ask? How was your day? It's really good and relaxing. Where do you live? I live in a small town. What is your job? I'm a banker. Are you married? No, I'm not married. What's your name? My name is Lisa. Are you busy right now? No, I'm not busy at the moment. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages. How many hours do you sleep? I sleep about 8 hours a night. When did you start learning English? I started learning English when I was 8 years. When is your birthday? My birthday is on December 9th. Do you like this park? Yes, it's very peaceful. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat and a parrot. What's your dog's name? His name is Rocky. Do you take your dog to the park often? Yes, almost every day. Is there a cafe in the park? Yes, there is a small cafe to the back side of the park. What do you do to relax? I like to read books and listen music. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. Are they living nearby? No, they live in different cities. How often do you see your parents? I visit them every weekend. What time do you usually weekend? I wake up at 5 a.m. Do you have breakfast at home? Yes, I usually have bread and coffee. Do you work from home? Yes, I work remotely most of the time. What do you do after work? I usually relax and watch fun series. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed around 10 p.m. Do you read before sleeping? Yes, I like to read for about 45 minutes daily. Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I exercise in the morning. What kind of exercise do you do? I go for a walk and do some basic exercises. What do you like to do on weekend? On weekend, I like to go hiking. Have you ever been to a zoo? Yes, I have been to a zoo. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What do you like to watch on TV? I like to watch comedies on TV. What's the weather like today? Today the weather is sunny. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like to gardening. Where did you go on your last vacation? I went to America on my last vacation. What's your favorite season? It's autumn. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, cooking is very fun for me. I enjoy it a lot. What is your favorite place to visit in your city? My favorite place to visit in my city is the zoo. What did you do yesterday? I went to hiking. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I plan to go to the music concert. Do you play sports? No, I used to swim every day though. Where do you do shopping? Markets in my neighborhood. Is there a bank near here? Yes, at the end of the block. Where is Lena? At working place. Was she at work yesterday? Yes, she was. What did she say? I am out of mind. I wasn't listening. Have you got a car? Yes, I drive very good. Are you going out tonight? I might. I don't know for sure. When was the last time you were sick? I don't know. What would you like to do now? Let's go hang out with Lena. When was the last time you ate? In the morning. Would you like to play tennis? Yes, let's go for a tennis match. Why were you so late? I had to wait 15 minutes for the bus. How much is this? This is $70. Are you Patrick's sister? No, I'm not. Where did you go on your vacation? I went to New York. How's the weather in London today? It is cold and windy in London. Do you get the package I sent you? Yes, thank you. It arrived yesterday. How was your holiday? It was fun. How did your brother arrive? He came by plane. Can you teach me how to play guitar? Sure. When do you want to start? Why are you so angry with him? He didn't invite me to the birthday party. Where did you go? I went to the bank. Did you call your friend? She was already busy with guests when I called last night. Why did you lie to me? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to lie. Are you coming to the party tonight? Yes, I'll come if I can. What will you wear for the party? I'll wear my black gown. How long are you going to stay there? About 3 weeks. What do you want for dinner? I want to love pizza. Do you know how to play tennis? Yes, I learned before 3 years. What would you like to eat? I would like to eat pancakes. What do you do at work? I work as a web developer. You can do it, can't you? Yeah, it will be difficult, but I'll try. Is this your phone? No, I think it's Mary's phone. When will you finish your work? I'll finish near around 5 pm. Can you call me when you get home? Sure, I will call you when I arrive. Dear listeners, now it's your turn to practice. Play the video again and repeat with me for good fluency. Show your love by hit the like and subscribe button and drop a valuable comment. Thanks for watching this video. Repeat these sentences with me. I almost forgot. I almost forgot. Mangoes are in season now. Mangoes are in season now. Go ahead, I'll catch up later. Go ahead, I'll catch up later. If only the rain would stop. If only the rain would stop. I'll leave it up to you. I'll leave it up to you. What fun I had. What fun I had. I know. Where are you coming from? I know where are you coming from. Sleep well. Sleep well. It's on me tonight. It's on me tonight. You take it. You take it. I have an acute pain here. I have an acute pain here. We are running late. We are running late. May I have the check, please? May I have the check, please? I'm scared. I'm scared. Don't judge people by their looks. Don't judge people by their looks. Oh, I'll probably just stay home. Oh, I probably just stay home. I don't know how long it will take. I don't know how long it will take. I'm always forgetful. I'm always forgetful. Here we go. Here we go. This is all he has to do. This is all he has to do. I honestly never knew. I honestly never knew.